Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to be revealing to you the things you should not do on your Facebook page if you want to make money this 2024. So there is a lot of things that will prevent your page from being monetized, and there is a lot of things too that will cause your page to be demonetized by Facebook. So this video is going to go deep into some of the things you should not do. Number one is posting unoriginal content. If you grab people's video and keep uploading on your page, Facebook will demonetize you. That is, if you have been monetized before. But if you are not monetized, you will get unoriginal content and you will not be able to monetize your page until you take that video down, and it's going to take some time before you will be able to monetize that page. So this is the first thing you should not do on your page. The second thing is posting sexually gratifying content. This is one of the things that kills Facebook pages. Facebook is against any content, any sort of content, be it an image or video that is sexually gratifying. So if you want to make money on Facebook, desist from this. Even on write-ups, don't use words that are sexually gratifying. If you do this on your page, you will not be able to monetize your page. Another thing you should avoid very well on your page is hate speech. Don't make posts that condemns people or call people names. Facebook is against this. They are totally against it. And once they detect it, they will not monetize your page. The third thing you shouldn't do is follow for follow. I made a video already about that some days ago. Don't do follow for follow on your page if you want to monetize. The fourth thing you shouldn't do is to condemn a particular religion. Whether you're a Christian, a traditionalist, a Muslim, a monk, and the rest, don't make content that condemns a particular religion. Facebook is strongly against it, and if you do this kind of content, you will not be able to monetize. And if you are monetized already, you will be demonetized on Facebook. Another thing you should avoid very well on your page is doing giveaway all the time, giving away things on Facebook while you ask your followers to share your content. Trying to make them share your content by giving them airtime, money, mobile data, and the rest. Facebook is against this. Yes, you can do giveaway from time to time on your page, but let it not be too much. Let Facebook not detect that you are trying to use money to make people share your contents, watch your contents, and the rest. Because when people start sharing your content too much, Facebook may detect that you are going against their partner monetization policy, and they will not monetize you. Another thing you shouldn't post on your page is betting. This is very important. Don't post anything related to betting on your page. This is a total red flag on Facebook. If you want to monetize on Facebook, stay away from betting, any betting related content. If Facebook sees that any of your content is promoting people to stake their money, bet their money, then monetizing on Facebook will be hard. The sixth thing, if I'm not mistaken, that you shouldn't do on your page is posting music. If you post music on your page, that page will be very hard for you to monetize because musics have strong copyrights. They are already on Facebook store, and there are people that owns copyright to those music. So unless they authorize you to use those musics, you cannot monetize with them once you post those music on your page. Now, most people will say Reels suggest musics for you to use. Sometimes if you use them, you may monetize, but to stay off problems, don't use people's music. Now, the last thing that I'll be sharing on this page is that you should not post anything that shows blood on your page, be it childbearing, be it a wound, or whatsoever. Don't post anything related to blood or something that is dead, lifeless on your page. Don't. If you do this, you may not monetize your page ever again. No matter the tendency that video has to give you views, make people watch it, the best thing you can do is to use images or some emojis to cover the part that shows blood while you do your content. But make sure the algorithm doesn't pick up a blood article or something that is lifeless on your video. So these are the things that you shouldn't do on your page if you want to make money on Facebook. Do you have more questions as well? You can drop them in the comment section. Let's discuss. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Keep creating.